I would be starting my first video, and this is about trying to learn contributing to the open source systems. Open source for code, as I mostly work with Java, will be trying to search how to do open source contribution in Java related projects. And let's start. So, from what I know, that mostly open source is nowadays done in GitHub. So, let's just look at GitHub and see if you have an account. You don't have an account, just search Java, and let's see if we are able to find anything to do an open source contribution on the algorithms. Java, what is this? Firstly, just go into the readme of the file. You can run and edit the algorithms, contribute to them using gitpod.io, free online development environment with a single click. Algorithms are implemented in Java for educational purpose. These implementations are intended for learning purposes. As such, they may be less efficient than the Java standard library. Contribution guidelines. Please read our contribution guidelines. Also, let's read on to the contribution guidelines so we don't violate anything regarding their projects before you contribute to the project. Algorithm directory are full of lists. Our directory has full list of application.
अरे पहले चैट जीपीटी का स्क्रिप्ट बना लो।
So let's come back in to do how to contribute. We do not add lead code problems. They are just application basic principles, and that can be found in other algorithms, included the repository. Define a bug, ensure bug was not already reported by searching the GitHub under project issues. If mentioned in the issues you want to fix it, fork the repository and submit your implementation in the pull request. Project maintainers will evaluate it. If you do not, if the bug is not mentioned in the issue, open a new issue. B should include a title, a clear description, and a test case demonstrating the expected behavior that is not occurring. Please avoid opening issues asking to be assigned to a particular algorithm. This merely creates unnecessary noise for maintainers. Instead, please submit your implementation in a pull request and project maintainers will evaluate it. Do you want to contribute to the documentation? Fork the repository, make necessary changes, create a pull request. It will be under review approval, blah, 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 blah. Same thing. Do you want to add a new feature? Open a new issue. Be sure to include a title, a clear description, and a test case demonstrating the new feature you want to add to the project. Do you have questions about the source code? Ask any question about how to use the repository in the algorithm room in Gitter and open a new issue. That's all you need to know about the process. Now it's your turn to help us improve the repository. Thank you again. So let's jump into it. Let's see what are the food fill backtracking. There are multiple algorithms. Let's see in queues, bit manipulation. Wow, nice. Ciphers, A5, ciphers, comparison, conversions, data structure, nodes, bags. Boom, boom, boom. Wow, I should have looked into Big Four. This is an awesome report. It has questions related to everything. Nice. Way too many questions. Oh, mm, let's just see into the issues and see if there is something else. Centralized configuration management. I don't see what you would like to propose. Problem. Each module may have its own .env or application.properties creating. Each module may have its own .env file or application.properties, creating inconsistencies. Feature requested: implement a shared configuration module, example via Spring Cloud Config or simple YML config repo that defines common environment variable db url jwt secrets vault key per service overrides. Benefits: easier maintenance and secure key rotation. Issue detail: each module may have its own env and application properties. Considering inconsistencies, additional info we would like to suggest moving away from maintaining separate env properties file, which often leads to inconsistency in making configuration management more complex. Instead, adopting standardized configuration systems such as spring cloud config or shared yml based repository help define common environment variables like db urls blah 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 blah. This approach may not simplify maintenance and improve visibility, but also enhances security through easier key rotation and simulates development for DevOps team making configuration. This proposal aims to improve maintainability, security by consistency by consolidating configuration management. Please share feedback on prefer implementation Spring Cloud config versus a lightweight shared YML. Let's see, there are many enhancement feature requests. Add a binary tree, search tree, and available AVL tree implementations in Java. Looking for help looking for help developing a portal with Java Spring Boot. What is that? I'm currently working on a modular home server portal and could use some help with the development in Java Spring Boot. HTTP, well, this may involve backend logic, API integration, potential working with microservices. I would really happy if anyone who's enjoy Java Spring Boot could contribute, whether it's small tips, actively helping with the specific features. Feel free to check out the issue submitted your pull request, some and submit your pull request. Hey, this looks like an interesting project. I have been working with Java Spring Boot since few months. I would love to contribute. I will take a look at the issues and see where I can help out. So let's see the issues pointed in this. In the what are the issues in this repo? I don't see any issues. Stop in here. Sorry. Issues 10. End-to-end encryption for chat messages. Build a notification system based on user contact info. Depends on hash 90. Enhancement rented help. Migrate from global cross filter to cross configuration source for better security. Add user profile page and extend user model. Improve front-end token handling. Improve. Let's see, replace all autobio with constructor injection and backend. That I can do. I know how to do it. I would love to work on this issue. Can you please assign this issue to me? Do you still want to work on it? Mm, I think this issue has already been assigned, but anyhow, just let's check it this out. What this is replaced in the code itself. From what I understand, to contribute there, we should generally fork out, create a new fork, copy the main branch only. Okay, let's do create fork. Let's copy this code. I already have an IntelliJ Community Edition installed in my PC, so we'll do just that. New project create from VCS. I'll paste this URL, cloning repository, and I have already set up my SSH configurations and all those things. So let's see. Install update. Let's just do the restart and see how. And meanwhile, I will pause this video.
थोड़ा सा क्लियर बोलना होगा.
Let's do a restart and I will pause this video for now. So I think my IntelliJ has restarted. Let's see into the project. As I see, this is a Maven project and I am kind of familiar with it. And they are using Java version 21. That's also okay. Let's see, auto wire. Hmm. Mhm. These are configurations, so I don't think any auto wire will be here. Let's just go to service. Mostly services have auto wires. Uh, just add constructor parameters. Add constructor parameters. We will add fi- final, or and remove this auto wire. It's also possible to just add at the rate re require argument constructor and remove this constructor from here. That will also do the work instead of just adding constructor parameter everywhere. This is done already. Require argument constructor, remove all the private, replace at the rate uto auto ed auto wired. So what I'm currently doing, replacing all the auto wired with nothing to be there. Okay, I think I made a mistake, but that's okay. I will replace all the private with private final, private with private final. Okay, I don't see any spelling mistakes here, but let's do that. Replace all. And this should do the constructor injection that was asked in this issue. Let's check here. Require argument constructor. Replace all the auto wires with nothing. Replace all. Control Z. And do a private instead of private. Replace. Replace all. This should do. This is already done. Wow. Auth require argument constructor replacing auto wire replace. Okay, let's just add auto wire here. Copy, paste, replace all. Let's do a private. Fine. This should do the constructor injection. Hmm. Let's see if there is any other auto word anywhere. This is just me working and replacing all the auto word with just required arcs constructor and adding this documentation. Let's just see and pause the video and I will be done with it for. So I am done with my auto-wired changes throughout the project. So let's just do a commit and push to it. Create. This is the issue number. All the classes I made changes to. Let's just add updat updated the auto-wired a uto wired auto-wired with construction constructor struct or constructor in ject and constructor injection. Let's just do that. Replaced updated all the auto wired with constructor injection and let's see if reformat code. Okay, no need to reformat. Just remove all the unused. Let's optimize the code a bit where I am not optimize the imports. Let's just do a little bit cleaning so that we don't have extra imports that are not required. It's already cleaned up. This one also. Hmm. Hmm. I think I don't have optimized imports on fly activated. I will also activate that. For now, let's just check. my commits and see if I missed anything. Mm, Autowire removed. Spring security. Autowire removed. Updated. Mm, yeah, we need to do that. Remove this. Enable editing. Okay, I am not able to. What is this class? Done. Let's just check again. No auto wires, no auto wires. Okay, now all done. Let's just commit the code. Just let's see their issue, rename. String little should not be duplicate. This is an already ongoing issue, but let's skip it for now. The exception passcode encoder. I think it's fine for now. So let's commit our code. Continue. Commit and push our changes. Let's go to GitHub now and see what I made changes and create sync fork contribute open pull request. Let's see. Preview. Mm, let's just pause. So as I see that this issue has already been assigned to someone, and if I want to raise a pull request, I don't want to disturb anyone regards to this, and just like raising an issue, just providing a solution and trying to make a contribution, but nothing serious. No need to hamper or harm anyone with intention of harming anyone. Just looking into it. Let's just ask ChatGPT what to do in this scenario. So I asked ChatGPT in regards to what to do in this situation, and this is the question that I asked. You can pause the video and look into it. And I got kind of many response from ChatGPT, step by step, check its issues, and I again kind of justified. It's just a sign, and the resolution have been assigned a little bit more information. Then it asked me to just asked me to mention these things in the comment, and I use this to comment it. And and I got a response back from them that they have made the changes, raised a PR, and I believe you check it to whom it was assigned. Let me know if any thoughts. I just like the comment, and the owner also mentioned that let's wait till Sanjana Mahapata opens a PR, and meanwhile you could work on other issues. For now, that's it for this video. As I am done with my first contribution attempt. Let's meet on another video with another contribution attempt, or completing doing a complete contribution. That's all. Thank you.